We just hooked up on a nice 3-pound smallie.
Nice
Got him on the
fish.
live worm.
Nice job, dude.
What do you think, Ian?
Man, that was a good fighter. That was a really fun fish to catch.
He gave you a run for your money there. Nice catch.
Yeah.
Got another one. Smallmouth bass.
Woo! Look at that
You
fish.
see 'em?
Another one. Rose City on the river. Smallmouth bass. Well, that was a really fun time out there on the river. I really enjoyed myself catching those bass. Glad that I took a little bit of footage so I could share that with you. And perhaps the next time I'm out there, I'll get a little bit of footage of the fish that we catch. Thanks for tuning in to Rose City on the river. You guys take care and have a great day. Rose City Sports Cards.